Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you this muesli. It's a classic fruit and nuts muesli, and it's from brand known as Garmans. Real food made with real passion. So it's a good source of protein as it's mentioned over here, and health start rating it's 4.5, very good. Proudly Australian made and owned. So this is a product from Australia, and the net pack size is 500 gram. That's really nice. As you can see, they have some berries in it and some dry fruits. Crispy oven baked muesli with delicious wine fruit. Wine fruits are mostly berries and a blend of roasted nuts, seeds and coconut. Very high in whole grain, source of fiber and low GI. So that's really nice whatever they have mentioned, and it's very tasty, guys. Go and try these things. All the nutritional information and ingredients are mentioned over here. Some people are allergic to some things, so they can read whether it's available there in the product or not. So please go to that. And just basic things over here they have already mentioned made in Australia, so it's an Australian ingredient product also. All the ingredients are from Australia. You just need to tear it like this, and there's will be a huge pack. Just you can see how nicely they have packed this. It's a sealed pack so that it won't get non-crisp and something like that. Now I'm gonna take scissor. So here comes the muesli. As you can see how beautiful it is looking. I'm gonna have a spoon and show you. See, this is almond, and some raisins are also there, and these are sunflower seeds, oat flakes you can see already there. So there are so many hidden things in it which are really good source of fiber, vitamins. You just need to add to a bowl of milk. I have added some bananas also in it, and just add muesli. Sufficient. Mix it, let it soak for a few seconds, and then it's good to go. So make it like this, eat it like this, and good. So friends, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more my videos. Thank you.